In the following video, you'll find out how to properly maintain and store your MESI mTABLET BP. Battery. Please ensure the battery is charged regularly. One battery charge is enough for more than 200 consecutive recordings or 8 hours of continuous use. To charge the battery, place the MESI tubeless cuff unit on the charging station. During the charging process, the light on the unit will be flashing yellow. Only when completely charged will it start flashing green. While in storage, the battery needs to be recharged every 3 months to avoid accidentally over-discharging. The device should also be inspected and calibrated by a qualified service engineer at least every 12 months. Cleaning instructions. Before cleaning, detach each cuff from the unit. It is recommended to clean the MESI tubeless cuff unit regularly with a soft, damp cloth. Clean the cuff's surface by wiping it with a mild disinfectant. We recommend using a quick-dry disinfectant, preferably in wipe form. Do not use aggressive cleaning agents or excessive force. Do not wash the cuffs or immerse them in water. Make sure to dry the equipment before next use. Troubleshooting. Inflation or deflation error appear during the measurement. If an inflation or deflation error appears during the measurement and you hear a hissing noise coming from a cuff, make sure the cuff is correctly attached to the unit. The light indicator doesn't respond when the multifunction button on top of the MESI BP unit is pressed. Place the MESI BP unit on the charging station and let it charge for at least half an hour before retrying. If the light doesn't start blinking either on the charging station or after charging for half an hour, please contact your local MESI representative for further assistance. The BP application will not start even though the MESI BP unit is paired and next to the MESI mTABLET. Make sure that there aren't any devices that produce electromagnetic interference nearby. These devices can interfere with the basic functions of the MESI ECG unit. If the problem persists, please contact your local MESI representative for further assistance.